Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from anywhere you might be joining us from. So yeah, welcome back to class, and today is the day 44 of our Excel WorkHour. That means we have just 6 days left to end this challenge. So it's actually nice. I'm very happy to have you up to this moment. So in today's class, we are going to be learning workday function, workday international function, continuation of where we stopped in our video yesterday. Exactly. Yesterday we explained how the workday function works. We explained its syntax, the holiday, and what of if we included weekend, either Saturday or Sunday notes in our holiday, will it have effect or not? So today's class we want to continue from where we stopped yesterday, which is that we want to learn how to use Workday International. How does it work? Before we go there, so in case you are looking into learning data analysis, I'm happy to tell you that I'm going to be organizing a class on data analysis in this from October to December by God's grace 2024. But I'm going to be taking new students. We're going to start from the basic, even if you have no knowledge of Microsoft Excel at all. It is beginner friendly. You're going to be starting from the very basic up to the what intermediate level, whereby you are going to be you'll be able to what, analyze data yourself, build dashboard yourself, and also have your own personal portfolio. So if you have interest, you can always message me on my WhatsApp via my WhatsApp link below. Or just check the YouTube description. You're going to see what the link to my WhatsApp, my X, which is Twitter, which is formerly known as Twitter, then LinkedIn also. So you can always message me then so that you can have access to what joining the class. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Now, today we want to talk about Workday International. Now, part of what you need to know first is that whenever we're talking about Workday International, that means we want to specify our own weekend and what weekday. Yes, I want to specify what my weekend and what my weekday. So how do I go about that? Now, first thing you need to know is that what it is not possible for you to say what from Monday to Sunday are what a weekday. No, it must have at least one weekend when using it. Exactly. And also the day start from what? From Monday. Yes, the state days in Excel it start from what? Monday. Exactly. So that is those are the basic things you need to know. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. But the first thing we are going to do is what we are going to be using what this exact thing exactly like this exact one. We are going to be using Saturday and 66 days and using Monday to Friday first. For us to be able to prove that what one is weekend and zero is workday. Then we now what specify what use another what option. Now let's say equals to workday international. Exactly. What is my start date? This is my start date, right? Comma. What is my day? 66 days. Now, I told you that the day start from what? From now, this is where we are not going to specify what our weekend. I told you that what the day start from Monday, right? And is zero means what work day, one means weekend, and we are starting from Monday. That means what is zero. Monday we are going to work. Monday to Friday we go to work. That means the first five is what is zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Saturday and Sunday are what a weekend. One exactly. Then you close it and say enter like this. Now you can see that what we are having what exact what thing like this. You can see we are having what the exact day it's this. Now so and we also have the option of what including what holidays, just like we have in our previous one in the work day we did yesterday. So I can also include my holiday. You notice that what still gave me the same thing, Friday, November 20, 2025. Exactly. So that's how to use Workday International. Now let us now use another one. So let's assume my own business. Okay, the place where I work, we only work on what? We don't work on Monday, we work on Tuesday, work on Tuesdays, work on Wednesdays, we work on Thursdays, and we work on Saturday. We don't work on Thursday on Friday also. So I only work on 4 days. So Monday, Friday, Sunday I don't work. So how do you go about it? Just equals to Workday International like this. What is my start date? So for example, let me use this day also as my start date. Then what? What is my day? 66 days also. Then so I want to write what the days I go to work. The day I go to work, what Monday I don't go to work. That means it's going to be one. Tuesday I go to work is zero. Wednesday I go to work is zero. Thursday I go to work is zero. Friday I don't go to work one. Saturday I go to work 0, and Sunday also I don't go to work. That will be 1 also. Now close and say close, enter. So now let me change this one to what was short date back like this. Now you can see that. So that means the contract is going to end on what? On the 17th of December 2025. So that's when the contract is going to work end. So I believe with this you've been able to what? You can now use Workday and Workday International yourself. Is that clear? So thanks for watching, everyone. We are going to be meeting in tomorrow's class where we are still going to be talking about another function on dates also. Do have a nice day, and please make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video to any other person that might be interested in what in learning Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.